in the kitchen, about to make some jerk chicken. So let's get right into some of the ingredients we got today. We got the thyme, a little bit of jalapeno, we got the green onions, we got white onions, black pepper, we have to have the ginger root, and we have some garlic. Then we got a little bit of cayenne pepper, some allspice, we got a little bit of apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, some pineapple juice. Now that's gonna go in the processor. We're gonna make that nice for the marinade. Now that's for the regular marinade. Now for the people that are more authentic like me, I couldn't get the Scotch bonnet, but I got some habanero. This is not the regular jerk chicken today. This is more for me, small batch. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start putting this in here, nice and smooth. Green onions going first. And now you see this black pepper, a whole kernel. We doing it big status, all natural here, all natural. This is gonna be nice, spicy, peppery, no salt, no high blood pressure. And so, what next we're gonna do, we're gonna take the allspice and the cayenne. We're gonna put that in there. Allspice, cayenne. We're just gonna put just a little bit of pineapple juice in. I don't think I'm putting the full thing in. Just a little bit of sweetness. A little bit. Gotta put a little apple cider vinegar. Bragg's organic with the mother. A little bit. Nothing crazy. And then to emulsify it all up, to thicken it up, you know, we gotta have the extra virgin olive oil. You know, nothing crazy. The extra virgin olive oil. All right. Again, the habanero is going to come in after for the small batch. But now what we're going to do is we're going to pulse it up, get it nice and emulsified. Pulse that joint. You ready? So you see the nice consistency for this right in here, money. So what we're gonna do with that, we're gonna show that in another video. I'm just gonna show you what we're soaking. So what we're doing right now, we're soaking the chicken in the white vinegar and water. So we don't want any of the impurities and stuff like that. So after we're done with that, we'll be back, but that's the first part. Dry off and pat down the chicken. Place the chicken in a pan. Place the chicken pieces skin side up. Toss the chicken with the jerk mixture. Rub the mixture in the skin, then cover. And marinate in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Bake in the oven for about an hour or until no longer pink near the bone. Then turn the oven on to broil and cook until the skin crisps, about 2 to 5 minutes. And there you have it, oven baked jerk chicken.